Hello everyone, welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. In this video, I'll show you an easy and quick way to calculate your Life Gua number. The Life Gua number is very important in Feng Shui. If you want to know whether a house can bring you good luck and good fortune, you must first calculate your Life Gua number and then check if it's compatible with the house. By knowing your Life Gua number can help you finding the most suitable house. Each sector of a house has a sitting and facing star. We can use our Life Gua number to check which area of the house is most favorable. To learn how to calculate Life Gua number, you only need to know full formula. If you're a male, born between 1900 to 1999, the formula to calculate your Life Gua number is 100 minus the last two digits of your year of birth divided by 9. But if you're a male born after the year of 2000, the formula is 99 minus the last two digits of the year of birth divided by 9. If you're a female born between 1900 to 1999, the formula is the last two digits of your year of birth minus 4 and then divide by 9. However, if you are a female born after the year of 2000, the formula is the last two digits of your year of birth plus 6 divided by 9. Please note, the year of birth needs to be based on the Chinese Li Chun, the beginning of spring. You can check out my previous video to determine your year of birth based on Li Chun. Now let's look at some examples of how to calculate your Life Gua number if you are born in or after the year 2000. Example 1. If you're a male born in 2001, the last two digits of your birth year is 01. Based on the formula, we use 99 minus 01 divided by 9, which is 98 divided by 9. When 98 is divided by 9, the result is 10 and the remainder is 8. Therefore, your Life Gua number is 8. Example 2. If you're a male born in the year of 2009, the last two digits are 09, so we use 99 minus 09 divided by 9, which comes to 90 divided by 9. As we can see in this case, when 90 divided by 9, we get 10 and there's no remainder. So we use 9 as the Life Gua number. Here's another example. If you're a female born in 2001, the last two digits of your birth year is 01, so according to the formula, we use 01 plus 6 divided by 9. And that's 7 divided by 9. In this case, if the dividend, which is 7, is less than the divisor, which is 9, then we use the dividend as the Life Gua number. Therefore, the Life Gua number is 7. Here's another example. If you're a female born in 2003, the last two digits of your birth year is 03. So we use 03 plus 6 divided by 9. When 9 is divided by 9, we get 1 and there's no remainder. In this case, we use the original number 9 as the Life Gua number. Now I'm going to show you some examples of how to calculate your Life Gua number if you were born between 1900 to 1999. If you're a male born in the year 1960, the last two digits of the year of birth is 60. Based on the formula, we use 100 minus 60 divided by 9, which is 40 divided by 9. And this brings us to result number 4, and the remainder is also 4. So the Life Gua number in this case is 4. Another example, if you are a female born in 1960, then we use 60 minus 4 divided by 9, which comes to 56 divided by 9. The result is 6, and the remainder is 2. Therefore, the Life Gua number is 2. In summary, we can see that the formula for calculating your Life Gua number is different between male and female. And it also differs between people born before the year 2000 and after the year 2000. By knowing this formula, we can easily and quickly calculate any Life Gua number. And there are some exceptions we need to remember. If the dividend is less than the divisor, then we use the dividend as the Life Gua number. In some cases, if there's no remainder, then we use 9 as the Life Gua number. And finally, if the calculated result or remainder is 5, then male becomes 2 and female becomes 8. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel.